I'd like to thank OC for sponsoring this video because audio is half a video, but video is the other half. So let's switch gears for a moment and talk about some pretty cool video switchers. OC's lineup of switchers covers everything from simple home creator workflows all the way to full multicam event production and everything in between. This is the GoStream Duet 8 ISO, which is an 8-input HDMI SDI combo switcher that also offers individual ISO recordings for each input. ISO recording is a super powerful feature if you want to switch live but keep the flexibility of going back and adjusting your edit or re-editing the entire thing from scratch afterwards. And everything you're seeing and hearing right now is being recorded with the Duet 8, including my microphone, because this does have two XLR inputs with super clean preamps and phantom power. The Duet 8 offers 4 HDMI and 4 SDI inputs, along with reconfigurable inputs for NDI, SRT, and RTMP. The Duet 8 ISO on its own is a super powerful production switcher, but you can also get the kit version with a 14-inch built-in monitor like I'm using here, which makes it a super solid all-in-one production suite in a hard shell case for extra protection and super easy portability. The kits also include a ton of mounting options for things like cameras, lights, monitors, basically any other accessories you might need, kind of like I've got right here, which makes these incredibly powerful options for 1080 production workflows. And even though this is a 1080 recording, it holds up great on a 4K timeline like the one I'm using for this video. But if you don't need all the inputs and features of the Duet 8, you can stick with the standard Duet, which is a traditional 4-input switcher that's also available in a kit with a hard shell case and built-in 14-inch screen. And there's also the GoStream Deck, which is the simplest HDMI only switching option. So whether you need a full 8-input ISO workflow or just the ability to switch between a few sources on the fly, be sure to check out OC's line of switchers using the links in the description.